Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We've made it now to fluid connective tissues, and fluid connective tissues are tissues like blood and lymph. And for now, we're going to go ahead and talk about blood. Just like the other connective tissues, we have specialized cells in a matrix. In this instance, the matrix is more of a watery matrix that we call plasma. Blood, I think, is pretty distinctive as well. And the reason why is because of the red blood cells versus the white blood cells. All of this is going to be blood. The whole thing is our blood tissue. And then we can see these reddish pink cells here, and there are numerous. They outnumber these other cells here in the middle, and those are going to be our red blood cells. I'm just going to use RBC for short. They are also known as erythrocytes. Erythro, that prefix tells you something's red. Our erythrocytes are our red blood cells. There is no nucleus, and the reason why red blood cells, when they're mature, don't have a nucleus or most other organelles is because we need to pack them full of oxygen. White blood cells, there are different types of white blood cells. We won't talk much about that until A&P2, but we can recognize white blood cells because they have a nucleus. The nucleus might look a little bit different depending upon the type of cell, or it will look different depending upon what type of white blood cell we are looking at. So you can see that each of these cells has a nucleus. And even though it does look different, they're both classified as white blood cells, just different types of white blood cells. I'll go ahead and draw some arrows to those, and I'm just going to use WBCs for white blood cells. Blood is going to be found within the vessels of our cardiovascular system. Red blood cells transport oxygen, while white blood cells defend the body from invaders. They're going to be important in the immune system. And then our blood also has platelets, which we'll talk more about at another time when we discuss blood clotting.